Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix a PS5 that's overheating and turning off. So if your console suddenly shuts down while you're gaming, then just follow along. First, completely power off your PS5 and unplug it for a few minutes. Then place the console in a well-ventilated area with plenty of space around the air vents. And avoid placing it inside enclosed cabinets or directly against a wall. Next, inspect the vents for dust buildup and use compressed air or a soft brush to carefully clean the air intake and exhaust vents. And if you've had the console for a long time, you may also want to clean around the cooling fan following Sony's cleaning guidelines. Then make sure you're using the original power cable and that it's firmly connected. Check for system software updates since they sometimes include performance and stability improvements. And if your PS5 only overheats during certain games, close any background apps and allow the console to cool before playing again. And if it continues shutting down after cleaning and updating, the console may require professional servicing. So that was how to fix PS5 overheating and turning off. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.